Etalex is pleased to present this video in order to help you install the E-Series shelving wall unit. We recommend that you assemble the shelving following the instructions in the installation manual. To install the shelving, you will need a drill, a laser level, a rubber mallet, a leveler key, a wall anchor bar or wall anchor bracket, the right type of screws to attach the installation to the wall. Here's how you install the E-Series wall unit shelving. First, before starting the installation, please ensure you have all the necessary parts: HD end post and HD center post, plain metal back 7¼ inch high, perforated solid metal back 14½ inch high, base shelf, kick plate or shoe guard. Before starting the installation, choose the location for your shelves, taking into consideration the location of the lights and the load-bearing beams in the room. Mark this spot by tracing a line on the ground. Lay down the posts, the crossbars, the feet, the kick plates, and the metal backs along this line at the location you've chosen. It is crucial that the wall post and foot are leveled and plumb. To ensure this, the front leveling screw on the foot should be adjusted to ½ inch, and the rear leveling screw should be adjusted to ¼ inch. This step needs to be done properly to avoid future problems. Then, we need to install the front and rear backs optional. To do this, make sure the welded parts of the posts are facing each other. Start with a 7¼ inch high plain metal back with a convex edge at the top. Make sure it is properly put in place. Install the kick plates. Ensure that it is completely seated in its slotting. Next, you insert the upper 14½ inch perforated metal backs. The next step is to attach the wall unit to the wall using the wall anchor and level and plumb the post. Note that the bottom edge of the back is concave and the top edge of the back is convex, allowing all the backs to fit in each other. Also note that for the wall unit shelving, the rear backs are optional. Now you can install the base shelf on each alternate sections of shelving. To make vertical adjustments to the structure, you adjust the front and back levelers until the base of the structure is 1 degree away from the wall and the top of the post is resting well against the wall. Attach the post to the wall with the wall anchor and the appropriate types of screws, ensuring the connection is solid. This step is important and necessary to secure the wall unit. Once secured, install the last 14½ inch metal back at the top of each section. Please note, in some cases, engineering may request concrete ties and anchors for each post. Install the rest of the base shelves. It is very important to make sure that the unit's horizontal line is leveled and plumb. To do this, we suggest using the laser level. Once the wall unit is leveled, install the rest of the base shelves. Now, we've reached the finishing step. For this, make sure you have the following items: top cap, left shoe cover, right shoe cover, brackets, shelves. To finish, install the left and right shoe covers and the standard finishing top cap at the top of the shelves. Then install the shelf brackets and the upper shelves. For technical support, feel free to call Etalex at 1-800-351-3125 or 514-351-2000. For your safety, please use the installation manual provided by Etalex.